If you need a simple solution, what at the time of movement something turn on, for example, it can be a light bulb or some device in your house or some other area when you go. To solve this task, in most cases you see such infrared motion sensors like this. But there is a solution what you are less see in many devices. Of course, these two sensors complement each other and have different purposes. Hello everyone, привет все, and welcome back to very excited video blog. This device uses the Doppler effect. You can read more about this method of determining motion on Wikipedia. This is a very interesting method, and its main advantage is that the movement is defined in 180 and 360 degrees. The waves get into the sensor, not only through this hole. Therefore, to reduce the sensitivity, it is sometimes better to seal it. You can find a link to purchase this sensor in the description below this video. This sensor operates on different voltages. In my case, this sensor works from 220 volts. Of course, the sensor has a sensitivity and a delay time what you can set up. Thus, the sensor has tripped and is supplying voltage. To expand the use of the sensor, you can connect some other, not very powerful device. This sensor has limitation. For example, an incandescent lamp can be less than 100 watts, LED lamp less than 22 watts. In any case, if a more powerful load need, you can add a relay or add a triac, for example. Today that's all. Best way say thank you to the author and share this video with your friends. I will hope to see you next time.